an electron of mass Me having de Broglie's wavelength lambda E and a proton of mass Mp having de Broglie's wavelength lambda P, and they are both accelerated through same potential difference, then the ratio of lambda E to that of lambda P is, see here, when charged particle is accelerated through potential difference V, then what is the potential energy gained by them? Potential energy gained is equal to charge on a particle multiplied by potential difference V. Now for electron and proton, both electron and proton, magnitude of charge on them is same. E is the magnitude of charge on electron, E is the magnitude of charge on proton. Means Q is same for electron and proton, and because both are accelerated through same potential difference means V is same. It means that potential energy of electron is equal to potential energy of proton. But we know that kinetic energy gained by a particle is always equal to potential energy acquired when it is accelerated through potential difference. So because potential energy of electron is equal to potential energy of proton, therefore kinetic energy of electron is equal to kinetic energy of proton, and say it is equal to E, and say it is equal to what? E. So de Broglie's wavelength. What is the formula for de Broglie's wavelength of any charged particle? Lambda is equal to h divided by p, and we know that P can be expressed in terms of kinetic energy. What is formula for kinetic energy? Kinetic energy E is equal to half m into V square, multiply it by m, divide it by m square, V square is equal to P square divided by 2m, or we had P square is equal to twice me, or simply P is equal to under root of twice me. So lambda is equal to h divided by under root of twice me. Now let us take the ratio of wavelength of electron to that of wavelength of proton, lambda E divided by lambda P. Here h is constant, so it is equal to under root of, here lambda E means here it is 2 mass of electron into kinetic energy of electron is same, and here 2 into mass of proton into kinetic energy of proton. But we know kinetic energy of electron is equal to kinetic energy of proton. So these two terms they get cancelled, here mass get cancelled, and we are left with mass of proton upon mass of electron, and it is under root. Under root means it is raised to power 1 by 2. So out of 4 options, option D is correct option, that is mass of proton to that of mass of electron raised to power 1 by 2.